The budget presented by Dr. Manmohan Singh, no doubt, has laudable objectives, but unfortunately, the laudable objectives enunciated in the budget speech are not reflected in the finance bill. So there is a wide gap between the assertions of the finance minister and their execution. As per the finance bill, the country is baffled. The entire nation is baffled as to how Dr. Manmohan Singh managed to mesmerize the country with laudable objectives but without the concerned provisions in the finance bill. Dr. Manmohan Singh went on criticizing the previous two governments of 1.5 years. But the fact remains that the economic instability in the country took actually took place during the Congress rule. When the first budget was presented in August 1947 by late Sri Samungam Chittar, the revenue receipts at that time were to the tune of rupees 170 crores, whereas the expenditure was rupees 197 crores and the deficit was rupees 27 crores. Mr. Vice Chairman, as you know, the first budget was for only 6 months, but by the end of the year, the deficit was completely wiped out and the government came out successful and with a plus. In the present budget, the total expenditure of the government is rupees 119,000 and odd crores. Dr. Manmohan Singh and others from the government day in and day out say that they are curtailing government expenditure. But the figures go contrary to their assertions. Stanza. When the colonial rule ended in 1947, the entire government of India was working only in the North Bloc and in the South Bloc. Now the government has expanded so much that its offices could not be accommodated in entire New Delhi. Their offices are at Krishi Bhavan, Yojana Bhavan, Shastri Bhavan, Nirman Bhavan, and several other bhavans. Not satisfied with these, the government of India's offices are at Lodhi Road also. Not only this, the government acquired even the private houses and private buildings in Delhi to accommodate their offices. So the total expenditure of the government is going up. When we look at the figures in expenditure budget, what is the total expenditure of the government on establishment and salaries? Question mark. Sir, it is a fact that there are more than 43 lakhs of people working in the government of India alone.